Hi students, once again welcome back to computer class. So in our last class we studied about different types of malwares. Hope all of you are remembering which are the different types of malwares that we studied. That is, we studied about Trojan horse, worm, spyware, sweeper, adware. Okay, we studied in detail about this different types of malware. So now we have seen what are the different types of viruses and what are the different types of malwares which can attack our computer. Now let us study how we can detect and remove these viruses as well as different types of malware from a computer. Okay. For detecting and removing virus from our computer, we use an antivirus software. For detecting and removing virus from our computer, we use antivirus software. So today let us study about what you mean by antivirus software, how to use an antivirus software, and how an antivirus software works inside a computer. Okay, so these are the topics which we are going to look on today. So first let us study what we mean by an antivirus software. It is a set of programs that are used to detect and remove viruses and other malware from a computer. Okay, that is, we have seen how a virus or how a malware they can attack our computer. So in order to detect and remove this virus from our computer, we use an antivirus software. Once we install the antivirus software inside the computer, what they will do is that they will search for the viruses in all the files and folders of the computer system. Okay, and once the virus and malware they are detected inside the computer system, antivirus software will remove them. Okay, so what antivirus software does once it is been installed inside the computer is that it will search for the virus or the malware in the files and folders of the computer system. And once the virus and malware they are detected inside the computer, antivirus software will remove them. Okay, this is what an antivirus software will do once it is been installed inside the computer. There are two types of antivirus softwares available in market. Okay, first one is freely available antivirus software and second one is paid antivirus software. Okay, first let us see which are the paid antivirus software, or the names of paid antivirus softwares are McAfee, Kaspersky, Avast, Norton, QuickHeal, Malwarebytes. These are some of the paid antivirus softwares which are available in market. Okay, these are some of the names of paid antivirus softwares. Okay. Second type is freely available antivirus softwares. They are available from the internet. Okay, we can download them from internet. And some of the popularly used free antivirus softwares are Avira Free, AVG Free, Bitdefender, Pantacloud. Okay, these are some of the names of free antivirus softwares. Okay, you can download any one of such software from the internet. And paid softwares they generally offer more features than the free ones. Okay. Next, let us study how an antivirus software work. We have seen that antivirus software they are being used for detecting and removing virus or any other malware which are present in our computer system. And how does antivirus software detect or find out whether a virus or malware is being present inside the system? That is, antivirus software they will scan the computer system. By scanning the computer system, antivirus software will detect whether a virus is present inside the computer system or not. Okay, and after the scanning takes place, if some virus has been detected, antivirus software will take actions in order for removing that virus or malware from the system. Okay, this is how antivirus software they work once it has been installed inside the system. Next, let us see the steps of how an antivirus software work. First step is quarantining, second step is repairing, and third step is deleting. Okay, these are the three steps that an antivirus software uses for working. Okay, first step is quarantining, second one is repairing, and third one is deleting. First step is quarantining. See, nowadays all of you are familiar with this particular word. What do you mean by quarantining? That is, if a person has been found infected with a virus, he will be separated or he will be isolated from the rest of the people so that the virus doesn't spread over to the rest of the people. Similarly, inside a computer, if antivirus software detects an infected file, this infected file will be separated or it will be isolated from the rest of the files so that the virus doesn't infect or the virus doesn't spread over to the other computer parts. Okay, so whenever antivirus software detects a virus inside a computer, the first step or the first action that antivirus software does is quarantining. Okay, so now the infected file is being placed in a separate place or it is being placed in isolation. Okay, and second step is repairing. That is, antivirus software will remove the virus code from that particular infected file and it will restore the file to its original form so that virus is being not present inside that particular file. Okay, so first step is quarantining, that is, infected file will be separated from the rest of the file so that the virus doesn't spread on to the rest of the parts of the computer. Okay, and second step is that from that infected file, antivirus software will remove the virus code, okay, and restore that particular file to the original form. And third step is deleting. Deleting means that if antivirus software finds that a file has been totally damaged or it has been infected by a dangerous virus, so that there is no other option other than deleting that particular file. Okay, so deleting means that whenever antivirus software finds that a file is being dangerously infected by a virus or it has been totally damaged by a virus, in that case there is no other option other than deleting that particular file. Okay, so these are the three steps of how antivirus software works. First step is quarantining, second one is repairing, and third one is deleting. And this is how antivirus software it detects and removes the virus from the computer system, okay, and makes the computer system free from viruses and malware. And last topic is, let us study how to use an antivirus software in our computer. Okay, first step is you have to click on the start button in your desktop and you have to select all programs. Okay, and from all programs you have to select the antivirus software that you have installed in your system. I am taking the example of 360 total security antivirus software. Okay, here I am taking the example of 360 total security antivirus software. Students, what you see in this picture is the 360 total security antivirus software. Okay, this is the window for 360 total security antivirus software. And you can see the window is being divided into two parts or two panels, left panel and right panel. Okay, left panel they contain the options which are related to the computer scan, and right panel they display the scanning process. Okay, the window is being divided into two panels or two parts, left part and right part. Left part they contain the options which are related to the computer scanning, and right part they contain the or they display the scanning process. Okay, and look at the left part. The first option given is for full check, that is you want to check the whole computer system. For that case you have to click on the full check option on the left panel. Okay, and next you have to click on the check now option which is being given in the right panel. Look at the right panel. Under a circle there is an option given for check now. You have to click on that particular option. Okay, now the scanning process will start. Look at this picture. The scanning is taking place. Okay, that is the antivirus software, it is checking the whole computer system. Okay, and now the scanning is been going on. And once the scanning is completed, you have to click on the finish button. Okay, so these are the steps of how to use antivirus software in a computer system. Okay, so students, with this we come to the end of chapter number 3. Okay, chapter number 3 was about malicious software. In this chapter we studied about what do you mean by a computer virus, what are the symptoms of a virus attack on our computer, and what are the preventive measures we have to take against the virus infections. And then we studied which are the types of computer viruses. Okay, and after that we studied about different types of malwares like Trojan horse, worm, spyware, sweeper, adware, etc. Okay, we studied in detail about each different types of malwares. And at last we studied about what you mean by antivirus software, what or how an antivirus software works. Okay, and at last we saw how to use an antivirus software in our computer system. Okay, so this is what we completed, what we studied in chapter number 3, that is malicious software.